In this short tutorial, I'd like to show you how you can use the ants indicator along with the pine screener to help narrow down a watch list of stocks. The ants indicator was created by David Ryan. David is a 3-time winner of the U.S. Investing Championship, and he came up with this concept while working for William O'Neill. The basic idea was to try and identify institutional accumulation, looking at momentum, volume, and price. David and I collaborated to build the ants indicator for TradingView. It's a free indicator, and I'll include a link below in the description if you'd like to give it a try. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. The only thing we need to do inside of TradingView as it relates to configuration of the indicator is to make sure it's marked as a favorite. If you select the indicator over here on the left, choose these 3 dots. This is the option you're looking for. And once you add it as a favorite, if you bring up the indicator dialog, select the favorite section, you'll now see the indicator listed with a gold star shown over on the left. And with that, let's go ahead and build a watch list. We're now looking at the TradingView screener. You see the URL up here on top, tradingview.com/screener. And we currently have 14,309 symbols that are available to us. Let's go ahead and narrow that down. I've created a screen previously. I called it the LevelUp watch list. And you can see once this screen runs, we now have 897 symbols. Very simple criteria. I'm looking for stock where the price is above 25 and the average 30-day volume is greater than 750K. We're going to select the first entry on the list and scroll all the way to the bottom. Once we're at the bottom, we'll choose the last entry. We're going to right-click, choose this option here to add selected to the watch list. I created this watch list previously. It's currently empty. So we'll choose that entry. And now we'll head over to the pine screener. We're now looking at the pine screener. Here's the URL up on top, tradingview.com/pine screener. So let's go ahead and bring up the watch list that we just created. And you'll now see it has 913 symbols, the same as in the TradingView screener. So now we want to choose the indicator. It's this entry right here. And once that comes up, we're going to select this option over here. Ants activated, set to true. We'll do our scan. We currently have 3 symbols that show up, so let's go ahead and mark those. Do a right click. Let's flag those with the red flag. And now let's head back over to TradingView. On the right side, this is the watch list for the red flag, and those are our 3 symbols. And we'll take a look at each one of these symbols, and sure enough, we can see we have ants activated here. We have the same here with this particular symbol. And finally, we have this one here as well. And there was previously green ants, and now they're currently gray. So I hope you found that helpful. I appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next video.